In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offer international shipping on Etsy. Whether you're looking to broaden your customer base or just want to make your products accessible to a global audience, mastering the art of international shipping can make a world of difference for your business. Let's dive in and guide you through the process step by step. First things first, let's navigate to your shipping settings. Start by logging into your Etsy account. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Shop Manager. From there, click on Settings and then select Shipping Settings. This is your central hub for managing all things shipping related. Now here you'll want to add a new shipping profile or simply edit an existing one if you prefer. Next, it's time to set up a shipping profile specifically for international orders. Give your profile a memorable name, something distinct like Worldwide Shipping or Europe and Asia. Then select your origin country, essentially the country from which you'll be shipping your products. Under shipping destinations, you can either opt to ship everywhere or customize it for specific regions or countries like the US, UK, Canada, or Australia. When it comes to setting your shipping services and rates, you have a couple of options. You can opt for a flat rate, which is one consistent price per destination, or choose calculated shipping, which takes into account the buyer's location along with the weight and dimensions of the package. Don't forget to enter the processing time. It's important to set expectations on how long it'll take you to prepare an order before shipping. Including an optional free shipping guarantee for certain countries can also be a great incentive for buyers and can help improve your search rankings. Once you're satisfied with everything, make sure to save your profile. Moving on, you'll want to apply this new profile to your listings. Back in the Shop Manager, navigate to Listings. Select the particular items you're interested in shipping internationally. Under the Delivery or Shipping section, apply the international shipping profile you just created and then save your changes. This ensures each listed product is properly set up for international orders. Before launching into full-blown international sales, make sure to check legal and customs requirements. When shipping abroad, it's crucial to include accurate customs forms. Etsy offers these for you to print, making the process a little easier. Be cautious about the items you're shipping, as certain goods like food, cosmetics, and plants may have legal restrictions in some countries. Lastly, don't forget to factor in import duties or VAT. Buyers generally need to cover these costs on delivery, but it's always best to clarify this in your listing description to avoid any future confusion. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to offering international shipping on Etsy. By following these steps, you're well on your way to reaching customers around the globe. Happy selling!